Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm in the spring. I'm going swimming. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So check it out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on.
Ay, gawa! Napapahid sa'yo yung nabasag ko sa baso doon! Napapahid yung baso! Bahala ka lang! Binasag ko na yung baso! Katalon!
So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell. Like this goddamn video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.